Question of the day, mother truckers. How many of you actually stop at the brake check area to check your brakes before going down a crazy mountain? Mother truckers, comment down below. Now, whoever the CHP is, he has jokes for days. He starts this post with saying he must really hate this sign, talking about the truck driver hitting that no parking sign. But he says, joking aside, this just happened on the 80 westbound at the Runaway truck gravel area west of Crystal Springs. If you drive an 18-wheeler, you are required to use the brake check area at 80 westbound at Nyack to check your brakes. Prevent costly accidents like this. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Now, I know that area right there in that I-80 westbound. I am from California. One thing I can say is that brake check area is like this itty bitty space. It barely fits one semi truck to fit there, and it's extremely dangerous, so that when you try to pull over, four-wheelers are going so fast. Now, I'm not saying that truck drivers shouldn't check their brakes. I'm saying that, maybe DOT, especially in California, can help truck drivers out and give us a wider space so that we can check our brakes safely. Now, with that said, definitely every time you see a sign like that, please check your brakes, man. Make sure you're in a low gear. Make sure you have your Jake brake on. Make sure, if you don't know, that's the engine brake, and you coast down slow. A lot of these slopes might seem like they're bunny slopes, but believe me, if you take it out of gear, you're going to find yourself in a world of hurt. So, mother truckers, I'm just saying this as it's happening. This is not to make fun of the driver. This is just for educational reasons to let you know. Definitely check your brakes if there is a sign that says brake check area. But with that, DOT, do a better job by having a safer area for us to check our brakes. Mother truckers, comment down below.